In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view cases on Salesforce 5 minutes. Let's get started by signing in to your Salesforce account. Once you're in, you'll be on the Lightning Experience homepage. Everything we're about to cover uses the standard layout you see at the top of the screen, so if your view looks a little different, don't worry, the steps are the same. Next, open an app such as Sales from the app launcher, the grid icon in the top left. Apps in Salesforce are just collections of tabs focused on a role or workflow. The Sales app is perfect here because it puts key objects like accounts, contacts, and cases within easy reach. If you usually work in service, that works too. The idea is simply to be inside an app where cases are available. Now, move to the global search bar at the top and type cases. As you type, Salesforce suggests objects and lists. You're looking for the cases object so you can view case list views. Selecting it takes you to a page where you'll see different saved views across cases. From there, choose all open cases. A list view is a filtered snapshot of records, and all open cases shows every case that hasn't been closed yet. This is especially helpful for support teams and managers who need a quick pulse on what's in progress. If your organization uses custom list views, you may see additional names, but all open cases is a standard option in most setups. You'll now see a table showing your cases. Typical columns include case number, subject status, priority, owner, and last modified date. Think of this as your command center. You can quickly scan to understand workload and urgency and identify cases that may need attention based on their status or priority. The list view also preserves your column layout, so once you're comfortable with what you see, it becomes a reliable daily dashboard. To dive deeper, click any case number or the subject line. This opens the full record. You'll land on a page with a details area showing fields like contact, account, type, and description, an activity timeline where you can see calls, tasks, and emails, and related information such as case comments, attachments, and linked assets or entitlements depending on your organization's setup. Reviewing history here is key to understanding what's been done and what's next. Use this page to confirm the current status, read previous notes, and gather context before taking action. That's it. You've logged in, opened an app, searched for cases, selected all open cases, reviewed the list, and opened an individual record to see the complete picture. Thanks for watching, and happy case reviewing.